I want to learn data science, machine learning, and AI, and I'm going for MSc in the UK, in data science and AI, and I think that is the best opportunity for me. Yes, it is a good opportunity, but don't you ever think that going for an MSc in university, in the UK, will make you a data scientist or data analyst or machine learning, whatever the title of your MSc program is. No. It is for you to master what you have learned, what you know, and that's why it's a master. So don't expect you to start teaching the fundamentals. And that is why people take that program and they still don't know, or their hands is not equipped with skill. This is why I'm going to advise you, while you're still in Nigeria, learn the skill, go for bootcamp, take the right set of trainings, because it is very important that when you get there, you learn the right set of skill, you master it, and you're exposed to the environment, then you can get, good job for yourself. All right, so that will be my take. As you're going for that program, don't put your trust in the program to make you what you want it to be. You have to start now. Learn the right thing, take the bootcamp, take the training, take the tutorials, equip yourself before the program, and that way you can even do well while taking your masters. I wish you all the best.